Hi everyone. I hope you guys are doing well. I welcome you all in the digital kingdom of cash crates. Guys, I wanted to ask a simple question. Are you up for earning an extra cash or you wanted to fill your wallet with some extra earning? If yes, the site has a surprise for you. So, if you wanted to see your surprise, then visit and explore the website now. Guys, I'm here to inform you about the site and about what website is having for you. Guys, the website is quite innovative and amazing, and it will help you out to earn a better income for yourself, to enhance your livelihood and to give you a better lifestyle. This site will going to help you out. So, the homepage, as you can see, will going to reveal all the basic information which is necessary for you to accept the website. Firstly, we're going to see the paid survey. Hope you are seeing that there is written earn extra cash with paid surveys. In paid surveys, get paid for your opinion with a list of rated and weighted paid survey providers from the cashcrate.com team. There are so many websites available, as you can see. What you have to do, you have to just visit the program, just review full information and just write what you feel about the program, and you're going to get paid for it. So it is very easy, you can easily do that. Second is side hustles. In side hustles, you're going to see that it is a very great way to earn extra income without taking on a part-time job and all the baggage that comes with it. You can easily go through the websites, write what you feel, do the basic work they give you, and you're going to earn extra. For example, you have heard about Amazon Mechanical Turk. It gives you the task. You have to just complete the human intelligence task and the instructions, and you're going to earn a better amount. Next, we're going to see the reward section. In reward section, as you know, we used to love shopping, especially online shopping is tempting. Basically, online shopping plus reward earning is just like an icing on the cake. So if you're up for an online shopping plus rewards, then this is for you. It is beneficial for you, like Swagbucks, Inbox Dollars, Price Rebel, Windale. Go and shop from here and earn rewards, and just you can shop wisely and with great stuff and with great amount. Next, guys, you can see the shopping is also there. In shopping, you can go for online shopping. Reward program is there. Coupons.com, My Points is there. Retail Me Not is there. Ibotta is there, and there is so much information is available. Next, guys, I'm going to tell you about the About Us section of the Cash Crate. In About Us section, guys, the company itself says that it started in 2006 and became one of the world's most popular rewards program with over 10 million members. As time went on, they noticed there are so many websites flooding on the internet. Some are fake, some are real, some are identical to them, but they have changed a lot. To be on the top of the customers, they have renovated their website on April 2019, and they have started their work again, and they have so much of opportunities for you people. Just go and grab the opportunity and start earning as you can. There is a submit a tip option. Guys, if you find any fake company just like the company, as this company is real, and if you find the identical company like this and it seems to be a fake or it seems to be a scam, you can just write your name, last name, your email address and tip, and send in. The company will take an appropriate action against them. So guys, do free to tell us how you feel about the website. If you have used it earlier, share your views, share your comments, and help thousands of people who wanted to use this website, who wanted to earn a better income. So if you like our review, do like it, share it, and for more information like this, do subscribe our channel. Thank you for listening and have a great day ahead.